Chief Fantes.
Otiga yongwe.
Yensomwa na yamfa agudie munsem toa ewia prentobre kasien so Light TV na Vision 93.5 FM. Yemremu of the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana. Na ene Ghana Football Association e de abase coach Otto Addo ehia aye nkrofo betumi aboa ni technical team na etumi aye very strong ahead of FIFA World Cup qualifiers. Basono na say na technical team no AC Thierry Eyadiane Otto Addo nankasa a head coach edema the Black Stars of Ghana as a national team. Winfred Anton Schenfer ono efi Germany onu 75 years abapenya ono eba beye technical director and as advisor edema Black Stars team no Desmond Ofe assistant coach edema Black Stars of Ghana mbaka no wa under 20 Derek Bonsu athletics coach nyebeka se fitness coach no ono so yaboni din John Pentel era swa ho as a assistant coach Fatal Dada the Lion goalkeepers trainer for Black Stars Dr. Prince Pambo team doctor Chris Depkai enso psychologist on also to me aboa na Edward Ababio enso physiotherapist Samuel Ankuma team Mazoa John DeGraff enso chief video analyst Awa Salifu Kamin enso video analyst Aminu Shadow team manager and Isa Amadou enso kit officer Obojuma Asante Kotoko and Rahman Hassan enso kit officer also Bojuma Accra Hasselfolk and way the new technical team and penfo to me abom din se omwa coach Otto Addo into Otto Addo nankasa the choice and a GFA to me abua ode na be kanon se Bojuma na onfa Black Stars and qualify encore 2026 FIFA World Cup yemfi Black Stars akachi ne wremu girls Accra Hasselfolk na be say be Hasselfolk akachi no na dia that's why Ghana Football Association wa na kasama for Henry Asante Chum ere atudwa say crofo ya bubo mudini na so mu ye technical team and farmer Otto Addo no enye GF ni choice ha na mum Otto Addo nankasa ni choices.
He did. He had first choice, second choice, third choice. It depends on the negotiation. If the first choice doesn't accept the offer, you move to the next choice until you get, a backroom staff. So I can confidently say that yes, he made those choices.
Choices. As a way, if Henry Asante Chum. PRO Edema Ghana Football Association. Yemremo Girls Accra House for Ghana Premier League Week 19. Nami Duma era fiara game baku etotwa ewo UG Sports Stadium. Girls Accra House Folk etosa RFF Pando Heart of Lions the proud of Haibe na omo ya bweni den 7 p.m. ana game no etotwa. Na House for etumidi yom gate fee etumi ede ababonti. Omo say popular stand center line ni na ekupta 30 Ghana cedis ya. Ubetumi ababebu eni akwa ana fe VIP ana fe ana fe VVIP and 100 and 150 Ghana cedis ubetumi ababo ni akwa na so wetumi support to aye team ese ha ana ebre mama kwan na yede agure mu setem no eresi ewo awia premtobre kasire so more and more eba aye 2 p.m. timu share yakem na yede bebre mo ewo a final lab tumedi ni so within every Otega more fans team of fans #God can't